Hey guys, what's up? So I have with me the OnePlus Buds Z, which was just launched recently. I got these for 2990 on the OnePlus website. They are available in three colors: the gray, white, and the Steve Harrington edition. So with us we have the white. Let's just go ahead and unbox it. So we see that it's a white capsule. Let's keep that aside. Nothing inside. Let's go ahead and open this. There seems to be something inside. Okay, so they have given the red cable club card here. You do get benefits in terms of points from the red cable club. So let's just open this. Alright, so here are the silicone earbuds, and I can see that there's a USB to Type-C converter for the charging purpose. That's really nice. The quality of the cables for OnePlus are really good. And I guess these are basic documentations. So this looks like a user manual. Yep. So interesting to see they have Hindi as well. All right, and then this should be the safety warranty. Okay, yes. Let's just keep everything aside for now. So okay, let's go ahead and open this. Looks really good on the front, and it's quite sleek in terms of its design. And it's supporting Bluetooth 5.0, and we also know that they are right now IP55, which is sweat and water resistant. They have slightly improved audio quality in terms of the other wireless speakers that we have. They have a 10 dynamic driver that features the Dolby Atmos. You see that there are two mics, one on the top and one just on the bottom surface, which allows crystal clear phone calls. And also, OnePlus claims that it has a low latency. So, for those of you who are gamers out there, this is really useful. All right, let's just connect it up with my phone and let me turn on Bluetooth. Let's see how long it takes to connect. Whoa, that was really quick. So here it be done. Let's just play up a music. So once you plug them in your ears, it automatically starts playing, and a double tap indicates a change in the song. So, and if you remove a particular earbud, it automatically pauses. So, and if you put them back, they start again. So that's really good feature in the buds that usually we want to press pause, and just removing one ear facilitates the same. And also you can continue listening to your music with one ear by manually pressing the play button. So you can have an extended battery life by just charging one of the earbud and having one connected and listening to music. So let's go ahead and test the audio quality of the buds. Let me just connect it back and record an audio. So you can see that there are two microphones, one on the side and one on the bottom. Let's go ahead and pull up the screen voice recorder, and okay, let me test my basic audio. Hello, so this is the audio test of the OnePlus Buds Wireless Z. So let me know how you felt the audio clip was. I personally felt the audio is really great. There's no complaints in terms of what you pay for the earphones. OnePlus also have branded this model with a new bass boost. Basically, they claim that the 10 dynamic drivers, which are supported with Dolby Atmos, provide you a better bass. And that's something which I personally felt in terms of hearing music. It was really good, and we do have a 20-hour battery life with fast charge, which is really great, where you can get about up to 3 hours of playback in just 10 minutes of charge, which is fantastic. And as I just explained, that you could have one ear bud being charged and one in your ear for listening to music, so you can just double that up. And OnePlus right now has come up with an app called HeyMelody app, which will soon be rolled out for other Android users. You can control a lot of customizations there, so your touch feedbacks and your double tap features, which are generally for picking up calls and rejecting calls and changing music, can be customized according to you. So you'll be soon seeing that app on the Play Store. I honestly feel that they are ideal for those who prefer earbuds with silicone tips or those who enjoy earbuds with a more bass heavy sound. Unlike the regular OnePlus Buds, which are half in ear design, like the original AirPods, the Buds Z are full in ear earbuds with silicone tips. As such, they provide a better passive noise and isolation and a more secure fit with a stronger bass. The dual mic design includes wind and noise reduction during the calls, but at 3000 rupees, there's obviously no active noise cancellation for audio playback. And finally, the feature of the quick pair, where you just open the case lid and pair with most devices, is really interesting. In my opinion, if you're looking for something reliable with a trusted company and quite lightweight and really fear that the earbuds would fit your ear or not, go ahead with the OnePlus Buds Z and you would be really happy with it.